children, let's continue with the revision of next topic, that is components of population change. Population change refers to the change in the number of people during a specific time. There are basically four factors which affect the size of population, that is birth rate, death rate, immigration and emigration. As you already know, the birth rate means the number of live births per 1,000 people in a year. Birth rates are affected by the factors such as nutrition, fertility, value of children, social values, etc. Birth rates vary and have drastic effects on human population. Second factor is death rate. It means the number of deaths per 1,000 people in a year. Deaths are affected by disease, war, medical technology, improved healthcare, nutrition, etc. Next factor is immigration. It refers to the number of people moving into a country. When an individual immigrates to a new location, there is an increase in the population. People migrate because of favorable conditions like better living conditions and employment opportunities. Last factor is emigration. Emigration means the number of people leaving the country. People are forced to leave their country due to insecurity, war, threat to life, famine, and natural disaster. Now, next topic of revision is composition of population. Composition refers to the structure of population. Composition include sex, age, occupation, etc. First, let's talk about age. Age structure is an important indicator of population composition. It is divided into different age groups, that is, number of people below 15 years, which indicates young population. Next age group is aging population, that is above 60 years. Last group is of working population, that is between 15 to 59 years of age. Next factor is sex. It is the ratio between the number of women and men in a population. This ratio provides us information about the status of women in a country. The sex ratio is unfavorable to women, where female infanticide and domestic violence is more. The highest sex ratio has been recorded in Latvia and lowest in Qatar. Last factor is rural and urban population. Rural areas are those where people are mostly engaged in primary activities like agriculture, whereas urban areas are those where people are mostly engaged in non-primary activities like industries, trade and commerce. Women outnumber males in urban areas and move to cities in search of jobs, whereas males migrate to cities in search of jobs in Asia and women get engaged in farming activities at home. So with this, we come to an end of this topic. This is all for today. Thank you.